food. The curry. Look at this. I'm excited, dude. Show you some honks, right? I feel like I have seen enough honks in the last week on my own to fill the rest of the year. And it also appears you have also, my email was on fire the last week. So let's get started. Now, of course, it wouldn't be a What the Honk segment without a classic bad parking job. This is a Honda Civic is doing it all wrong. Disabled parking decal located in the window, but obviously not a marked parking space. And of all places, in a church parking lot. You know he's watching you, right? Here's yet another reminder. The space is for those with mobility issues. Doing stuff like this is selfish and we can do better. Thank you to Leo, our floor director, for submitting that to me. Now, do you really think these balloons are going to arrive at their party in its original form? I'm willing to bet not. I wish I was able to see how old they were at least turning so we could all wish you a happy birthday because those balloons ain't gonna make it. I would understand this if it was like a super small car, but let's be real here. You're driving a minivan with cargo space. Put it in the car. All right, if Picasso was still around, I think he'd be impressed. But reality check, he's not, so no one's impressed, including me. I understand letting your creativity run wild, but why in the world would you paint like this, especially on and around your license plate? So if you zoom in out here and click Orlando later, the tag is painted too. Like, you know you're going to get the attention. Why get it for all the wrong reasons? This will probably be worth like millions in 100 years from now. We'll be talking about it. I want to keep seeing the crazy things that you're seeing. Keep your passenger picture, dash camera video coming. Send them over to me at clickorlando.com/whatthehonk or easy email, asktroopersteve@wkmg.com. Drive safely.